Today we are making the ultimate 4-cheese ravioli bake, loaded with creamy cheese and rich marinara. We will need cheese, ravioli, marinara sauce, ricotta, mozzarella, Parmesan and provolone. First mix the marinara with Italian seasoning and a little Parmesan for extra flavor. Spread a layer of that sauce evenly across the bottom of your baking dish. Now arrange the cheese ravioli neatly over the sauce in a single layer. For the cheese layer, combine ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan and provolone until creamy. Spoon the 4-cheese mixture over the ravioli, spreading it evenly for cheesy bites. Add another layer of marinara sauce and spread it gently across the top. Place the remaining ravioli over the sauce and add a little more cheese mixture. Cover everything with plenty of mozzarella, parmesan and provolone, then add Italian seasonings. Bake until the cheese is doubling golden and beautifully melted around the edges. Finish with fresh basil, then dig it for that incredible 4-cheese pull.